That was stupid. Hey guys, so today I filmed this little look here. Not my face, just my eyes. But I filmed using this Bretman rock palette, so it's pretty cool. It just came into Ulta like a week ago, I think, so I went ahead and picked it up. This is what the inside looks like. It says Jungle Rock, and then these are the shades. I did use the greens the other day whenever I went to work, so today I did kind of try to stay with like the pinks and purples, like obviously, but I did use a couple of the shimmers and it's super cute, so I really like it. I think it's a cute summer palette. And yeah, so go ahead and just keep watching to see how I did this look. Okay, so this is how the look turned out. I think it's super cute. I really like it. I'm really tired because I got up this morning and I went and taught a dreadlock class at New Dimensions here in town. It's a hair school. So, want your cosmetology license and you live in Joplin, go to New Dimensions. That's where I went to school, so it's pretty cool. But came home and did this, so yeah. Anyways, I'm gonna keep this little outro short because I'm acting really funny. I'm super tired. I need to go blow my nose because I'm trying to get over like a head cold. So that's been fun. Anyway, so thank you guys for watching and I'll see you in the next one, which should be coming soon. I took a while off because I got lazy. I didn't really get lazy, I got busy at work. But yeah, the next one should be coming soon. I feel like, yeah, I need to finish steaming this backdrop too because I started it one day, haven't finished it, so sorry about that. But yeah, see you in the next one.